Hey guys, all right, I am in Philadelphia in the beautiful Love Park, and about an hour ago they started up the Portal, which is a video conferencing system that connects to other portals in other parts of the country. First off, it's an amazing day here. It's gonna be like 83. I'm wearing my Donkeys hoodie that I love, and I'm dying. This is definitely a shorts and t-shirt day. Let me flip this around. This is the new Love Park. If you haven't been here in a few years, remember it used to have like the steps, it was recessed down, almost like a little amphitheater. Several years ago, they remodeled it. It's completely flat now. They have this awesome fountain, and yes, I was here on the weekend. It's October, guys. I was here on the weekend, and there were kids and even adults playing in the fountain. So, the Portal, let's talk about this. This is a big surprise. This showed up on Friday. There was no initial announcement. There was no like, hey, this is coming. They just started installing this thing, and people are like, wait a minute, is Philly getting the Portal? And I'm gonna explain what the Portal is in a second. So you can see all the people here in Philadelphia because this was an official press conference. Right there on the screen is Lithuania. Now I wanna talk, if the screen does not look clear or like, very wavy in the video here, trust me, it does not look that way. It's clear in person. Those waves are more about just technology, not to get too deep, but the cameras move at a certain speed taking images, and the screen projects images at a certain speed, and they're operating at different speeds, so you end up with those wavy lines. It happens the same way when you take a picture of your television. So the way the Portal works is, you have the, probably, 8 feet, if you stood on the platform, you have the 8-foot circle, you can see the center screen there. Through the internet, this is connected to other portals around the world. See, they're interacting with the people, and this looks to be Lithuania. It's connected to other portals. So right here, this is Poland. So this is Lublin, Poland. And there are right now 4 active portals: Poland, Lithuania, Dublin, and Philadelphia. And every 3 minutes, this will switch to a different screen. Now, I don't believe there's any audio here. I'm not hearing any audio, but you can see images, you can see the signage. Well, you probably can't because it may be those streaks that I was talking about. But they're saying, hello from Dublin. We love Philadelphia, like nice signs like that. If you want to come and check this out, maybe it's a fun idea. Bring a chalkboard or something with you. You can write messages back to people. There was a really neat thing where, like, between Philadelphia and Dublin, they were doing like coordinated jumps and dance moves. There was one gentleman in Dublin, he was great. He was really trying to get people to dance. Then they started doing this coordinated jumping where like 15, 20 people on the Philadelphia side were 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, jump. And then Dublin guys were doing it. So come check it out. Now, I was looking for the gentleman who is like the local representative from Portals, which is a foundation that runs this. And he actually is from Philadelphia, and I'm sure he was a big part of how this one relocated from New York. And what I wanted to ask him is, I thought I overheard him saying that this portal will be staying in Philadelphia, but it will not be staying in Love Park. And I think he even said as soon as like early November, which is just like 3 weeks away, they're gonna move it to another location. I'm still looking for him. I remember him because he's got good hair, good gray hair. And for some reason, I tend to notice that. I already don't like the guy. You can see here we got the Love statue, famous in Philadelphia, where people stand in line. Here we go, we got some folks coming in. They stand in line, be underneath the statue, get their photo taken. And way in the distance there, you have the art museum. So it's just an amazing day here. Soon this area, well, let me flip around here. More so over here by City Hall. They're gonna start the Holiday Village setup, where they have the ice skating rink at the base of City Hall. They have a Holiday Village for gifts and shopping and food and drinks. I was kind of hoping they'd keep the Portal here for that time frame. Maybe they do. I don't know. I gotta find out. Maybe I'll find out and edit that portion into the video here. So anyway, Mark from 42freeway.com, crossing the bridge in Philadelphia. Oh, I just found him. I just found the guy. I'm gonna ask him.